Good day, chat. Here's another one for the day. You see, chat, if you don't put in antifreezer in your radiator, you just put in plain water. Plain water will result into this. Plain water will result into rust in the engine block. And as you can see, this rust, it ends up corroding the wash plugs, because the wash plugs are not cast iron like the block. The block can withstand this rust because of course it's the cast iron. So this ones, they are not the cast iron, therefore this rust ended up tearing them and wearing them very rapidly. So we were having a severe water leak on this engine here. Yeah, we did manage to get the new wash plugs and we're just about to fill them in now. They were really corroded. Emma, my job is done here.